Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACHV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. And overall, it's been a very rough day. The chart's looking very, very shaky. I am not willing to say that the entire chart has been destroyed. I think that's a little too far, too dramatic. But it's definitely a situation where, the price is looking pretty shaky. But just because something looks shaky doesn't mean that it's for sure going to fall apart. But this is why the key level going forward into Wednesday, not necessarily Wednesday, but just a foreseeable future, that is very, very important, is down here at 51 cents. Why is 51 cents so important? Well, hopefully, and I'm not saying this will occur, but hopefully this helps kind of visualize what I'm talking about here. But if the price were to come down to 51 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing with the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power. Whereas on the flip side, if the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then begins to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now all of a sudden you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. A truly strong move is going to make progress. And like I said, to be fair, although the chart does look shaky right now, there is still an opportunity to show some signs of progress. So that's why, in my opinion at least, you can't sit here and say that the entire chart is destroyed. Now, I realize that if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes. From that point of view, yeah, the chart looks terrible. But assuming you care about the big picture of it all, like I said, yes, things are looking shaky, but price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.